Hey everybody, it's Ken Hammer from Razor's Edge Sharpening. Alright, today got a couple of Benchmades that were just dropped off a little bit ago. And here is the other. We're going to put them both under the microscope, see how they do. Clean them up. Looks like we got some pretty not terrible shape. Little chip right there. Sorry, I'm just trying to correct the angle here. Chips don't look too bad. Just a little bit in that midsection there. So, okay. Blade number 2. This one doesn't look bad at all. Looks like we just got, it's just dull. Alright. Just normal wear and tear, it looks like. Got a little chip there. So, alright, here we go. Alright, let's see what we got under here. It's amazing how much more chiseled out that looks when you see the 240 just go into it. Crazy. Alright. It's got a nice little curvature to it. Still a little rough, but not too bad. So that's after one round on a 2x40, well, 2 passes on a 2x40. Again, I'm going to just switch out belts on the same machine. Normally I wouldn't do this, but just for the video, I wanted to show. Alright. Get that angle up a little bit better so you can see. Also, if you guys go on your 1x30s, this is a brand new belt. So if you start to get strings, I'll pull them off. This is a brand new belt. So sometimes that'll happen. Check your belt, check for cracks, check for any kind of damage. This is a brand new red label abrasive belt. So I'm just making sure. Okay, that's a little better. Another thing that can be challenging on these is you see how there's dips in there? You actually got to guide it in with your hand on the belt. let's see. That's a big difference. So, all right, we'll do knife number 2. Feels like a good burr. Bring this out of here so I can actually show you better. Hard part is just adjusting this so focus. Oop. Trying to bring it into focus. A lot more refined. Sorry about the quality. Just trying to get a good picture of the edge. Now we got some really good refinement off that. Okay, that's the one butt. That's the one Benchmade. This one, a little less, but that's got burr on it all over it. So still not bad compared to what it was. Much better. So let me strap it back in. Let me put you back here. Get our belt. This is already preloaded. So take the 1000 grit off and we'll put felt belt on. Knock off any major burr. Okay. Bring it back over here. See if that did anything different. Trying to focus this and hold the camera at the same time is quite a... Alright. That did a lot more for the edge. Still look like it has more wave patterns in there, but pretty clean.